Hi, so this is your first look at HTML, and what HTML is, what it stands for, is Hypertext Markup Language. Now, markup languages are a set of markup tags, and HTML describes web pages using markup tags. Now, what we're going to do today is we're just going to create a simple web page using these markup tags and HTML. So what you could do, you could make these HTML files in your Dreamweaver or Visual Studio. Now I know in the past tutorials for Dreamweaver, what I've done is we actually look at HTML within Dreamweaver. So you could just as easily create it within Dreamweaver or any other editing HTML software. But today we're just going to use a text editor like Notepad, which will be installed on all your computers as soon as you get them. So we're just going to make a quick web page just to show you what I mean by tags. So the first thing we're going to do is use the HTML tag. And the HTML tag, that's basically just describing the document, and we always put a / and a HTML tag like that. So this is basically just ending the HTML document. So you start it here and it ends here. So in between there, you're going to put body. It doesn't matter if you do it in capitals or non-capitals. And then over here you do your close body tag. Right, so your body of your text is going to show what you've got inside your HTML document. So we're just going to put in here, for example, hello. You can put anything. Hello, welcome to BT or KS3. Now in theory that should work, and what you do is you go to File, Save As, and you can save it wherever you like. So we're just going to save it in our HTML files like we had before, and we're going to save it as test.html. Like I said, it doesn't have to be capital, it could be lowercase, or you could just name it HTML. It doesn't really matter, there's no difference between any of them. So we'll save that, and if we go into the file that we saved it in, so documents, BT for case3, HTML files, and test.html, which is that. Double click on it and you'll be able to preview it within the browser that you've got set up. And as you can see, the text that we had there is now there. So it's effectively it's a HTML document. It doesn't include the tags because remember, the language just starts the tag and then it ends the tag. So you don't actually see any of that when you view it. You only view what's inside your body and any of the tags that you might use. So that's just the basics, and within the other tutorials I'll be teaching you how to put paragraphs in, breaks in, headings and everything like that. And you can also, I'll try and link it back to Dreamweaver as well, so you can see just how similar the HTML documents are made up. It's just that this way you're doing it manually, and with Dreamweaver you're having resources and the software do it for you. And that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.